Hello guys, this is episode 1 of One Block. As you can see, the island is very small and there is not much to do, so let's start mining this block. A while later, a creature spawned which looked exactly like my friend. But my friend got his feelings hurt and decided to slap the pig in the void. We then again started to mine the block because that is all we could do. Soon after, a chest came with hard particles which contained useless stuff, but after breaking the chest the first phase ended. As the second phase started, I made stone tools. After mining some blocks, a mushroom cow spawned which was just as good as an infinite supply of food. I filled my bowl with its stew for food. Another one of his species spawned. This zombie was the first hostile mob to spawn, who immediately went to touch OKS. Realizing our island was smaller than your wee, I began to expand it. Then I went back to mining the block.
Baba Bowie.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
After the creeper incident, I went back to mining. After another creeper incident, I again expanded the island. I wanted skeletons to spawn on the island so we can get bone meals and progress faster, so we had to bridge out. While OKS expanded, I mined the block. Then phase 2 ended. Before we started to mine phase 3 blocks, we began to expand our farm. But during the expansion, OKS blocked our only water source.
You stupid n***!
I also made a snowman.
What is that?
We hoed the farm in hopes that it would grow without water. We were living and mining the block peacefully until this happened.
Bruh.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Bruh.
I again for the third time expanded the island, and while I was doing the OKS was mining. Finally he got a chest which has 2 ice, which was enough for an infinite water source. I even fished in a 2x2 source of water and caught a piece of leather. Then we went back to mining the block. My skeleton spawned, but he got clapped by me. We mined some more blocks. Finally, the end of phase 3 came. While OKS mined the blocks of phase 4, I decided to fish and caught a pufferfish. And it was delicious.
Bruh.
While OKS was mining, an army of trident zombies spawned, but again I was there to destroy them. Well guys, this will be it for this episode. Kindly subscribe for more.